talking about something I have not heard anyone talk about. That's because we're just on the cutting edge of prepping.
Yeah, listen to you. We just had to do this all our life. No cutting edge about it.
Okay, so this is 2021. Things are starting to get crazy. I cannot imagine how bad it's going to get from here. As a matter of fact, Mom and I were just talking the other day, yesterday, as a matter of fact, where we said, we've stopped praying for our nation. And people are going to say, what, Tara? What in the world? I think that we have gone so far off the side of the cliff that we're just careening down now.
Like a roller coaster. We've hit the top and now we're just...
Yeah. And frankly, there's no way back up again. I really don't think
it'll take years or be very hard. So.
Yeah, I really don't think there's anything that will save us at this point. I really don't. And we were talking about how we're not praying for our nation. We're praying for people like our pastors and our leaders, that they will stand up to the wrong that's going on now.
Because they're having the hardest fight and under attack the most, you know, and so we need to pray for them especially.
Yeah, so as we were talking about that, I thought, okay, wait a minute. We got to think here, what happens when things start getting like Venezuela and people are going to just, it's going to be an all-out fight for yourself.
You'll be surprised how fast friends and family will turn on you. Just with the stuff that's been happening in 2020.
Yeah.
I mean, good people, I've had friends have gotten really upset because of the thing that's going around, that they've just been divided because of this. And so it'll happen faster than you think.
And that fear drives people
to do that.
And so you have to protect yourself. So you should not be afraid, but you do need to protect yourself. And one of the ways to protect yourself is to hide your stockpile and your preps that you have, so that if people break into your house, they can't find it very easy, or if friends and family come and when you're not home and try to steal it, that type of thing. So we're going to give you some places where to hide your stockpile, because I really think that's, you know, that's kind of important. So one place to hide your stockpile: trash cans. Just get some regular trash cans, get some dirt, smudge it all over the outside so it looks like they're really well used, and you can stack a lot of things in trash cans. And don't put them all together. Put them different places, you know, in your garage, in your basement, out in your shed. Just put them in different places so it looks like you're actually using the trash cans. But you can store a lot of things in trash cans. And if you want to go even a step further, line it with a trash bag and seal the trash bag in the trash can, and that will help keep the bugs and the mice out also.
Yeah.
Next, places like dresser drawers, like under your entire thing of t-shirts. You know, you could put more valuable things that are smaller underneath t-shirts,
your
jeans.
undie drawer.
Yeah. Well, maybe not your underwear drawer, because a lot of people will hide jewelry in there.
Well, that's true. That's true.
I would do more t-shirts, that kind of thing. And you can put flatter things, you know, smaller things in there, like medicines, that kind of thing. Places like under the couch, under chairs. Stick it under the middle of the couch and people wouldn't think. You can slide. You could probably slide 100 to 150 canned goods underneath a couch. A standard long couch.
Especially if it has a little skirt on it, a skirt around the couch, you know, or something like that.
If it doesn't, add a skirt.
I wouldn't do it under a bed, because that's like first thing a lot of people
No,
look.
I wouldn't do it under bed, but people don't think to look under a couch or that type of area. Behind towels in the bathroom.
In the linen closet, yeah, or sheets.
Behind sheets, behind blankets, under sheets, under blankets, in between sheets and blankets and towels. You can hide things. Kids' toy box. Put a false bottom on a toy box and put some stuff in there with toys on top.
Yeah.
Mom would be really good at this one. Behind your fabric stash.
If you're a quilter, or even you have yarns and things like that, you can put a lot of things back behind those fabric stashes and those yarn stashes, or you know, that type of thing.
Under the kitchen or bathroom sink.
Back
at the back. And then last but not least, straight out in the open. And you're like,
This
what?
Yeah, I like this one really well.
So take a box, and we're moving right now, so we have piles of boxes everywhere. And take a box that says Grandma's Old Dishes, and put all your stores in there. And just take all kinds of boxes like that.
And what you can do is when you put the canned goods in those boxes, then put like not an old quilt or something, old table linen or something like it looks like that's on the top, you know. Or even if you just put paper, if nothing else, on top of that, looks like you got stuff rolled up in there.
Label it kids' memories, kids' toys, old underwear,
heirlooms, you know,
pictures.
old photos, yeah.
Think of those obvious places and not so obvious places in your house where you can store these things to get your stockpile. I have a free printable if you want to start stockpiling food, $5 to stockpile every week. It's in the link in the description below. Also, guys, watch my video on 10 things you should never stockpile for long term. It is a beginner video on how to start stockpiling, because really you need to stockpile for tornadoes, hurricanes, fire. Wildfires are everywhere.
Or the water getting shut off by the city. I've had that happen 4 or 5 times for a week or more.
Yeah. So this is just basic prepping for life. I hope that helps you guys. Please visit us at livingonadime.com, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye-bye, guys.